Welcome to the Ocean County Library's Introduction to Canva. Today I'm going to briefly show you the website canva.com, how to make a design, and some of the different features within the website so that you can go forth and use the website whether it's for personal or professional use. In the center there's Create a Design, and they have multiple different templates, videos, flyers, invitations. You can make logos for your business. You can make a Facebook page cover, resume, business card, a YouTube thumbnail. If you have a YouTube channel, you can make a book cover. If you are an independent author and you are looking into self-publishing. Up top, pricing is if you are paying for anything to be printed, but there is an option to download items for free. I should say the templates are split up between social media, personal, business, marketing, education, and trending. Once you click on a template, it brings up more templates that you can use. Canva obviously has so many options that it can be a little bit overwhelming. So if you're starting out, I suggest, either taking your time or just click on a template to start. And as you can see with this template, with the business card template, they give you a front of the business card and a back of the business card. And if you decide this is not the one for you, you can obviously go up to the side and pick a different business card. If you have a specific business, you can type it in the search template search bar above and type in what your business is, and it'll narrow down some of the options it has. So I typed in librarian, and these are some of the library themed business cards they have, but I'm gonna work with the one we've got because I like it. It's simple, so that means it's gonna be easy for me to, change it, fix it the way I want to. And we can change the color up top. There are a bunch of different options. Just like on the side, there's text, element, uploads, photos, videos, background. So if I wanted to change the background, I could pick a different background color and it'll automatically enter it in. You could do the same thing with photos. You could find a photo you like and you just have to stretch it to fit the background as opposed to it just like automatically generating a new background on for you. In the elements section, you can look for different pictures, kind of like clip art that you would add into your design. I decided to put a book in here, but I'm not sure I like it. Well, that's the fun thing with Canva. We can try different things, and if we don't like it, we can just delete it. Okay, so actually one of the cool things is the upload section. You have images and videos you can upload into Canva. But we are gonna go to, I have a Ocean County Library logo saved in my Canva for making various posters and flyers here. So we're gonna go to the position. You can change the position of the item you add into your template, stretch it out, same as you would do with an image in like Word. And then you can also change the transparency. So we're going to make it really faded or just a little bit faded. And then we can rearrange the wording back over top of it if we want. Anyways, we're going to move from that one and go to this screen. I'm just typing in the Ocean County Library address for the main branch, which is 101 Washington Street. As you can see, both of these items are grouped together. So if you go up to the top and hit ungroup, it will ungroup them, and then you can move them around the way you want to. They have a myriad of fonts. You can also go to this text button, and they have some text that you can add in. I really like the Cheers one. They have a bunch of others, and basically you can add in, it'll go straight in the way it is. It'll say Cheers to the New Year, but then you can change the wording. If I wanted, I could get a picture of the main branch or one of the other branches, upload it into Canva, and then use that as the background. Just for time's sake, I'm going to use a ready inserted photo from Canva's inventory myself. As you can see, some of those pictures have like a little crown next to those. Those are pictures that have to be paid for. And whether it's $1 or more, I have no idea, but go for the ones that don't have the crown next to it, especially if you're on a budget. So we can change the brightness of it behind it so we can see the wording a little bit more. You can change the contrast, blur the pictures, make it super sharp and in focus, or you can make it really blurred out so you can't even tell what's behind it, but then what's the point of using this picture? We can change the color through the filter. There are a bunch of different filter options. Basically, Canva is very intuitive. It gives you lots of options to change designs and really make it your own, even if you're using the same elements and same backgrounds as somebody else. The way you arrange the items on the design is really going to set it apart, so it's not the same necessarily as someone else. Up top, I just want to show you the download button. Basically, if you were making a flyer, you could turn it into a PDF and download it for free. They have different standard sizings. You could create a PNG file or a JPEG for pictures. And if you have the Canva app, you can download what you have created onto your phone, whether it's a PDF or a picture. I just found this feature really awesome and super handy. So for example, if you are making invitations and you wanted to text a picture of the invitation to everyone, you could download a very clear picture of the invitation that you've created and send it to people that way. And so when you download, this is a PDF version of the business cards. This is what it looks like. This is how it would print. Obviously, it would print as a giant piece of paper as opposed to a business card if you were doing it yourself. But just so you know that that option's there, you can print your business cards with Canva as well. Here in the file section, you can change the name of the file so it's easy for us to find. And when you do download it, it'll download as that file name. You can save it to specific folders. So if I wanted to save it to my work designs, I can save it. And now if I want, I can just go to my work designs and be able to find it there. If you have a social media account, Canva has templates for different social media accounts, obviously because you can create your template for your account, but I mean, they have the logos, rather, I should say, for different social media accounts. And the library has YouTube, a Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Snapchat, Pinterest. So I could put this on my business card so people know that they can find me in those locations as well. But yes, so that is it. This is canva.com. It is a wonderful, wonderful resource. So lastly, I just wanted to show you briefly the canva.com app. You can download it onto your phone. As you can see, there's all the templates. There's a designs folder. You can check your account, add to it from here from my phone. You can go to the gallery. I can go to image. I can add different colors. I can put on a different filter. Also, if you click the little plus sign, it brings up more options like text, image. Everything is virtually the same. And it just takes some tinkering to get used to using the web app. But basically, you can install it on your phone, you can edit on the go, you can upload pictures from your phone, videos from your phone, and you can work on designs. So the only cons with the Canva app is that it's a little difficult to see. So if you have vision impairment of any sort, you might want to just focus on using the web app version. And sometimes it's a little bit difficult to edit, but I think that really just comes down to tinkering a bit with the app. All right, so that's it for today. Thank you so much for stopping by. I hope you learned something new and you can go forth and use canva.com on your own. Bye.
Support public libraries. Like, share, and subscribe for more great videos.